Hi, in this guide you will learn how to see the historical changes on a Google Docs document. Since everything is stored online, the service automatically saves different versions of the document from different sessions and times. This is extremely useful for reverting the document to a previous state, and you can also see what changes have been made by other contributors. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to open the document, and then go to File, head over Version History, and then select See Version History. On the right panel, you can see all the changes from different sessions. You might also expand the version menu to get detailed changes from specific times. To preview the version, just click on the version name. After you have found the version you want to restore, click Restore this version, and then confirm Restore. And that's it, you have seen the previous version of the document and then restored it. By the way, you can rename each version just to quickly get an idea what changes have been made to the document. It will save your time in the future. Anyway, that's what I have for you today. I hope this video helps you, and as always, thank you for watching.